Hi, today in front of me HONOR X7A and I'll show you how the fingerprint scanner does on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So I'll just simply touch the power key button because the fingerprint scanner is here on the power key. So let's just try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint unlock method works here fast and correct, and we just unlocked the device successfully in a couple of seconds. This is the good result for the fingerprint unlock. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.